Once you have the orthosis on, you can operate everything from the control unit. First, power on the control unit with the orange button. Once powered on, you will notice a number 5 lights up on the display. This is your stimulation intensity. You have the ability to increase the intensity to a 9 or down to a 1, using the plus button to increase or minus button to decrease. Whenever you power the system off and on again, it will go back to a 5. The trigger button with the wave on it is what you will use to start and stop stimulation, or progress it to the next step of the cycle in specific modes. Your therapist or Bioness representative will assign custom programs to your system, and these will be accessed as either Program 1 or Program 2. Using the 2 middle buttons on the edge of the control unit, you can toggle between programs while stimulation is paused. Note that when you choose a program, a little number 1 or number 2 lights up on the front of the control unit. When you are finished with your session, you can power off the device by pressing the same button you used to turn it on.